Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on one of the most essential frameworks in business strategy, Michael Porter's 5 Forces of Framework. Today, we will learn how to analyze the competitive forces in an industry to assess its profitability and strategic position. Here are the 5 forces of Michael Porter: competitive rivalry, threat of new entrants, bargaining power of suppliers, bargaining power of buyers, and the threat of substitutes. You will be able to understand each of these forces and how they shape business strategies. First one is the competitive rivalry. So this refers to the intensity of competition among existing firms in the industry. So dito sa competitive strategy is pinapakita ang pagiging competitive ng mga business. Bawat business sa pag-accumulate ng profit at strategy sa pagbenta ng mga produkto nila. Next one is the threat of new entrants. How easy it is for new competitors to enter the market. So pwedeng maging threat ang mga new entrants sa mga existing business owners kasi pwedeng may mas maganda silang produkto. So next one is the bargaining power of suppliers. How much control suppliers have over pricing and quality. So ang suppliers ay may control sa mga demand ng mga produkto na binibenta nila, so they can control the price that they want to sell the product. Next one is the bargaining power of buyers. Is the influence of customers have over product pricing and quality. So diyan naman ang threat naman ng mga buyers ay tinitignan nila ang mga prices ng mga products at kung maliit ang demand nito or malaki. So finally, last one is the threat of substitutes. Yung mga produkto na may mga substitutes ay pwedeng mas mura at mas malaki yung demand dito. So magkaka-threat ito sa mga existing na mga products na dati nang ginawa. So understanding these forces helps businesses with strategic planning, risk identification, profitability analysis, and gaining a competitive edge. Ang gumagamit nito ay mga companies, strategists, consultants, and even government agencies to make informed decisions. So that's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to reflect on how these forces affect your chosen industry. Thank you for watching. Stay strategic and stay competitive. Thank you.